Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use our star stud hand tool. Here is our tool. It's going to look like this. You can see just there it has the space for your star to insert into. They're really simple to use, so when you get your star studs you're going to have these small backing pins that are going to come with it. We'll take our material and we can push this backing pin through the material just like so. You can see a small part of that actually protrudes out. On the back of your star studs you can see there's a hole, that's where your pin's meant to go. So I will sit that on top of the pin. I will line up the star with the star shape that is on this tool, just like that. I'm going to hold it straight and then we're going to hammer it through. And this should be your final result, with your backing pin on the rear, and your star should be nice and secured into place.